Hi everyone, I thought I'd share a quick unboxing of an airplane I've been kind of looking at for a while. It is a electric sailplane. It's not quite a hotliner, but I think you can power it to be pretty fast. It is a 1.7 meter sailplane, electric sailplane with about a 0.9 meter length. It's fiberglass fuselage, comes with a foam wing that's been sheeted with I think a plywood veneer. Seems to be pretty strong. I got this from a Loft Hobbies in California, and they did an amazing job packing this thing. It was pretty cool. Nice when I got it. It was packed very nice, and I got it pretty quick. The molded fuselage is just really nice. The color's molded in. Only unusual thing about this kit is it does not come with instructions. However, I was reading in RC groups on the forum, and I found that there are some plans online. This is a PDF that you can kind of use to get the measurements on where you need to make your cuts and stuff. But overall, it seems like it's a pretty relatively easy plane to put together. It is a 4-channel. It does have a rudder. I built something similar to this called a Jurassic Jerry. It's a 2-meter one that's similar, but it did not have a rudder. This one does. It has a balsa stab, a T-tail. I'm kind of considering maybe sheeting this in, or I'm rather covering it with some fiberglass or fiberglassing it. So I'll have to look in the forums. Speaking of forums, if you look on RC groups and do a search for this airplane, there's a really good build forum that I'll be following as I put this airplane together. I noticed in some of the forums the folks were talking about their kits did not come with a firewall. It appears that mine did come with a fiberglass one that I just have to install. I believe the correct right and down thrust is molded in. I'll take a look once I play with it a little bit. For a spinner, I went ahead and got that from Loft Hobbies too, and it looks like a 40 millimeter seems to fit pretty well. The fuselage has two pieces. It actually has a canopy piece that goes over the wing after it's bolted on. It's going to probably be a little difficult to change out batteries, and probably have to pull the wing off each time I do it. For power, I'm planning on using a Turnigy glider drive. I will be using the 950 or rather 960 kV on 3S and using a 12.6 prop. The kit also comes with a small hardware pack, some wood blocks, fiberglass cloth, things like that to finish up the kit. Yeah, it should be an interesting build. I hope you enjoyed the quick unboxing, and hopefully I'll have some pictures and video of it being all put together and flying. Thanks.